August, dog days of August. Biggest buying opportunity that we've had all year was at the 200-day moving average. We featured the buys, the traders piled in it, we've taken it up. We are filling in a major support level across this trend line. We can see that now. Let's take a look at the overbought indicators. On the CCI, it's plus 75. That we know. All right, momentum is plus 156. The RSI is at 64. We have rallied in this ascending base. You can see it. You can see the consolidations. You can see the gaps in August, and you can see we're going to come up to the neckline where it all started. Now we're going to be at what we call a market make or break. Yes, a market make or break. Stay tuned on the rut, okay? We know it's the Russell, we all know it, and we just want you to know that the RUI and the RUT look similar. This one is playing catch up to get to that resistance, which is the major top reversal down. And at that point, the market has a lot more risk because of the price exhaustion